and we needed to ask ourselves as a community of practice, what are we going to be contributing to those national processes? Because government is charging ahead, and what we want is to have access into informing those plans that are already declared and underway, so that they just don't happen without our influence. So, then what came out of that is the major objective for us is really to engage government as one voice around ECD. And that might mean, identifying different priority areas, that commonly unite us as a community of practice, and work around that in engaging government on, how it should be done, or influence, how it impacts our populations, etc.